Hi, everyone. My name is Rachel Thomas, and I am editor at SME Media. We're here today at the Manufacturing Technology Series Southwest in Dallas, Texas, here at the Mitsubishi booth, and I'm here with.
Billy Pitts with Mitsubishi Materials, and we're here to display cutting tools and the latest technology in the cutting tool world today.
Awesome. Thank you, Billy. So, yeah, speaking of that, if you can kind of go in depth into what are some of the new products or services you all are showing at the show.
Okay. Our inserted tooling, as you can see up here, a little bit of everything, so whatever your needs are. But the key is we want to improve productivity, reliability, consistency in production. All of those things are key factors in having continuous improvement and constant and consistent production for our customers. So inserted tooling, we have solid tooling, carbide, and a variety, as you can see around this booth here. We have drills, milling, just a little bit of everything, turning, and then a lot of staff here with technical support for the tooling as well. Just any kind of questions you have. A lot of our guys are very experienced, have been in the shop, have used a lot of these tools in the industry, and can relate a lot of this information to you to help explain how to use these and how these tools can help with production in your shop. So,
Awesome. Are there any other improvements or customer benefits with the products you're showing?
uh, really, these products can be used for production as well as teaching. We do some things. We offer teaching services to people, to customers. We offer product implementation, like one-off things like that. If you have a new product that you want to implement into your shop, we have a facility in North Carolina where we can take you there. We can take your product. We can help you engineer that product, how you're going to apply it in your shop, how you're going to manufacture it, and cut costs. And we help those things on the front end so that you can save your time, your money, and everything out on the shop floor.
Yeah.
So we offer those services as well.
Okay, awesome. And so, Mitsubishi being at the MT series shows and everything, what are some key customer questions or, trends that you've noticed on the floor?
Um, a lot of a lot of the industry now is shifting into more aerospace in that direction. Automotive is a big trend also. You still see in some of your oil and gas, but you see firearm, you see a lot of different industries. People are coming in looking for better ways to make their products, better ways and solutions to improve productivity. And so we try to assist with all of those things. We have a huge variety of standard tooling as well as special tooling that we can work with people on. If you got something specific that you need that's just not offered out in the marketplace, we can help with those things as well.
Okay.
So,
And so, how, if at all, how are automation and AI impacting the business?
ah, automation, a lot of people are doing lights out. A lot of people are wanting to run with robot type of applications where they can run lights out through the weekend, less manpower, or they may have one person manning a workstation with several machines with automation. AI is being used as well, also in so many ways in the shop as well. Um, by looking at materials, looking at applications, how you may run a part, uh, how you should maybe hold the part fixturing wise, what's the best way to attack a part, and get it done. I've seen a lot of AI being used now for that, so that is something new that's really has worked its way into the shop.
Yeah,
And I'm pretty sure we're just on the cusp of what it can do for us. So
absolutely.
yeah.
Yeah. And so, being here at the show and everything, what is the importance of being out here on the floor, engaging with customers face to face? What would you say about that?
A lot of our people that come in here, a lot of the customers, they just don't know who to go to. They're in the shop, they feel like, they know only what they have seen.
Mhm.
So they don't know the technology that's available to them, and they don't have an avenue to reach out to get help. And so that's what we want to provide here is an avenue. And so, you know, we're scanning badges as we come in, and we're kind of finding out what people are interested in, what kind of materials they may be trying to machine. And we reach out to them with information that can help them and open a channel of communication so they'll have a point of contact to reach out.
Hmm.
And they can reach out to us for questions, for pointers, and any kind of support, that we can
Yeah.
supply for them. So
Yeah, absolutely. And lastly, what is the company, what are you guys looking forward to going into 2026?
2026, we're looking to just be right there as the industry changes. It's constantly changing, constantly growing. New tools are always coming out, and like the shift that I see a lot is more into away from oil and gas so much in this area, shifting more into those other industries we were talking about earlier.
Mhm.
The aerospace is really, and automotive have really picked up a lot in the area, and those are also making us like answer the call to the challenge for those industries.
Yeah,
So we're working on those things too, and for the new year, and
yeah,
so it's the challenge is always fun and exciting to get our hands around,
yeah,
and it just brings new technology and new growth, and AI is part of that too.
yeah, absolutely.
Digging into that side. So
Yeah, and it's interesting you mentioned that shift and kind of going away from oil and gas. I've actually heard that from a couple other booths I visited too.
yeah.
So, well, yeah, well, thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it today, Billy.
Well, thank you. I
Thank you.
appreciate you.
Yes.